everyone, this is Neelam Sharma. Welcome to CodeTech Hub, your IT center. Let's move to the program number 2. Addition of two decimal values. This program is as similar as my previous program where I have added two integer value. और यहाँ पर हम ऐड करेंगे two decimal values को. The value of x is 20.5, the value of y is 20.56 and the value of z is 41.6 is the addition of both decimal values. For that we need a declaration of a variable. We focus in the box. There is a float is a data type and x, y, z are the variables. लास्ट टाइम जब एडिशन ऑफ टू इंटीजर वैल्यू किया था तब मैंने डेटा टाइप यूज किया था इंट, लेकिन हम यहाँ करने जा रहे हैं किसी डेसिमल वैल्यू का एडिशन. सो यू हैव टू यूज ऑलवेज अ फ्लोट डेटा टाइप. फ्लोट इज अ डेटा टाइप composed of a number that is includes a fractional represented in decimal format. That means whenever you want to do any operation with the decimal value, so you have to give a float data type. For the practice of this program, let's move to the Dev C++. Now we are in Dev++ window. Take new file, start coding. Hash include IOStream is a header file which will execute whole program using namespace std will defines the functions and differentiate the all functions are same functions. Int main function body will work between the curly bracket. We focus in the fifth line, float x, y, z. I have created three variables in float data type because we want the addition of any decimal value. Cout, enter the first decimal value, in x. Cout, enter the second decimal value, in y. Here I have stored x and y in in operator and with the two statement, enter the first decimal value and enter the second decimal value. Now z equals to x plus y. Cout the sum of both decimal values will be z. Return 0. Look at on the 11th line, I have returned the sum of both decimal value. This statement will display the result. How? The result will be displayed by the z variable because z variable have a condition. And whenever your variable have a condition, you have to write with insertion point. Please check out the cout, cin, cout. Means यहाँ पर cout और cin functions का डबल यूज हुआ है. So ये जो जितने भी functions हैं इनको डिफ्रेंशिएट करना या इनको डिफाइन करना That work will be done by the using namespace std. Now save your file. Click on save as. Give any name to your file. I am giving d2 या d1.cpp. cpp is the extension of C++ file. Click on save. After saving, you have to compile your program. So for the compilation, click on execute, click on compile. Look at here, the compilation is completed. Compilation result is that error is 0 and warning is 0. Means मेरे इस प्रोग्राम में किसी भी टाइप का एरर नहीं है. That means I can run my program without any difficulty. For the run program, click on execute and run. In the output window, there is a first statement is showing enter the first decimal value. I am giving any decimal value. Enter the second decimal value. I am giving any second decimal value. So the result of both value is here. It was a very simple coding and simple procedure. You can easily add any decimal value with the help of float data type. I hope you got all the information about addition of decimal values. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.